ayun guys, nandito kami sa event ng aming choreographer, si Coach Adrian, para suportahan siya sa Miss Gay Bigaat 2024. So ayan guys, onti pa lang ang tao, kita nyo naman. Pinapil music, si Ante, pinapil music. So ayan guys, chill lang muna tayo dito habang inaantay yung event na pageant. Ganto. Oh, Pak, sino ka dyan?
Pinalipat kayo dito?
Ayan yung costume nyo. Ayan yung costume ginamit mo. Kaya tulungan natin. Ano?
When beauty in rain flies, I am your undeniable result. Great evening, Bukid Lawa Bigaha. A woman standing in front of you tonight is Ian Adrian Dillis Banat. It's 23-year-old singer. And since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to introduce to you my student, a woman with great power and dedication. And from Ilonggo and Morena Queen, fresh from Iloilo, this is your Miss Universe, Alexi Brooks. Alexi Brooks na nag-iiwan ng isang mahalaga and friendly advice. I'm not yet done. Friend, if you really need to tonight. Yes, I'm so good. I feel nervous, but this is normal because we're joining pageant or contest and we gotta break a leg.
So I think you're ready to answer the hashtag.
I have no choice, but I need to be ready.
So hashtag is hashtag social media.
Well, great evening once again, Bukid Lawa, or should I say Biga. The hashtag that I got is social media. We all know that social media is very useful nowadays. There's a lot of people using social media, even youth, children, and even old or adult. Or should I say, social media is for all. But ladies and gentlemen, social media has a two consequence or a two effect for us. First effect is good effect. Social media is good while we are using it. It is because we've got updated to the different and latest happenings today. Okay? So ang social media po ay mag-a-update sa atin kung ano ang nangyayari sa mundo, kung ano ang nangyayari sa bawat tao, at kung ano ang nakikita at dapat ipagmalaki ng mga tao using social media. But the sad part of using social media is there's bullying, or should I say, the cyberbullying. There's a lot of fake news spreading in social media. There's a lot of youth na nagsasakripisyo, nahihiya, nagkakaroon ng anxiety, and it will lead to depression. It is because of the muggling, yung mga bullying, yung mga sinasabi nyo. But ladies and gentlemen, bago po tayo magkomento sa social media, try to think if ano po ang epekto nito sa taong pwede natin pagsabihan. Ladies and gentlemen, lahat tayo ay may karapatang humusga. Lahat tayo ay may karapatang mag-post sa social media. But always remember that in using social media, apply it with love, support, and respect. That would be all.
Oh, Pak, pasok sa top 5. Sana all. Congrats, Coach Adrian.
Bratislava, Miss Gay 2024 first runner-up, candidate number 9. Congratulations, candidate number 10, Martha Dina. And our Miss King is number 2, Miss J.B. Rama.
What's up guys, good morning sa inyo. Kakagising ko lang and again, congratulations to our magaling na choreographer sa pagsasayaw namin, Coach Adrian de los Badad. Ian Adrian de los Badad. Congrats po and guys, sana nagustuhan nyo yung video and hanggang dito na lang and see you in my next vlog. Bye bye guys.